Safely sending money internationally to RBC is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Use RBC's secure online banking platform to initiate international transfers. Log into your online banking account and navigate to the section for international money transfers. RBC offers wire transfer services for international transactions. Ensure you have the correct details for the recipient's bank, including the bank's SWIFT or BIC code, account number, and any other required information. Be cautious when providing recipient details to avoid errors. If sending money in a currency different from your own, be aware of the exchange rates. RBC provides currency exchange services, and you may choose to lock in a rate for your transfer. Double-check the recipient's name, bank account details, and any other necessary information before initiating the transfer. Ensure accuracy to avoid issues with the transaction. If you need to communicate with RBC or the recipient regarding the transfer, use secure channels. Avoid sharing sensitive information via unsecured emails or messaging platforms. If possible, set transaction limits to control the amount of money that can be transferred in a single transaction. This adds an extra layer of security. Enable two-factor authentication for your online banking account to enhance security. This typically involves receiving a code on your mobile device for additional verification. Regularly check your bank account for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to RBC immediately. Be aware of the fees associated with international transfers and the expected processing times. This information is typically available on RBC's website or through customer support. Be aware of any regulatory requirements or restrictions related to international money transfers. Familiarize yourself with RBC's policy and comply with any necessary documentation.